How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to disable the profile picture zoom in Instagram. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do first is open up Instagram, go to your profile, click on the three lines right here in the top right corner. After that, what you want to do is just scroll down until you see help. So just click on help right there. And then after that, what you want to do is just click on report a problem. Click on report a problem again. Click on include and continue. And then after that, what you want to do is just simply type this. I want to disable the profile picture zoom in Instagram. And then after that, what you want to do now is just click on send. And then there you go. So all you have to do now is just wait until Instagram replies to your problem, and then they will now fix it. And then that is pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to disable the profile picture zoom on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.